Okay, has a lock.
A common one.
Those are matches. Fair enough.
You take a stick. Okay. The hood sticks.
It's just
Spoiling.
taking everything out.
It's spoiling all of them. Okay.
That's it. I think I know what it's trying to do. I won't say, but I think I know what it's trying to do. Let's just watch. Let's see. But I don't think this should be legal though. I think this video shouldn't be legal. You know, it shouldn't be on the internet. You know, it's breaking it off.
Okay.
Missing. I think I know what it's trying to do. You know, I've seen a lot of videos of some people, you know, do this. I won't say though. Let's just keep watching. But I think I know what it's trying to do over there. I don't think those videos though is supposed to be on the internet. It should be, you know, should be legal to be on the internet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's putting the powder inside. Okay. What's that? Oh, maybe I think I understand what it's doing. It's recreating the key. Okay.
No, it's not recreating the key. Let's just watch this, see what's happening. Well, I don't think this video should be legal though. Let's see. It's gonna press it really hard, okay.
I don't understand yet what it's doing. Okay. It's too difficult.
I think he's just going stupid now.
It's too difficult at this point. I don't understand. I'm sorry.
Yo, what are you trying to do? Now I don't know what he's trying to do.
No, I'm sorry.
So what?
Okay.
No,
any hope? No, it's too difficult.
Showed you guys how to unlock, how to, you know, go unlock your neighbor's door.
That's not so easy.
You know, put it on mattress and put all the lights there.
Like that.
Well, I don't know. I think maybe he's just fooled off, of course. I know that's never gonna work. So guys, please don't try it off, okay? Don't try it.
Don't try it off.
I know it won't work. I've tried it. No, I haven't. Just okay. I haven't tried it, but I know it's not gonna work though, because I think he just fooled off with all of us. You know, just wasted all that. Alright guys, so if you like the video, leave a comment, let me know if you have tried such a thing or if you think it's gonna work. Me personally, I know it's not gonna work, so let me know if you think it's gonna work out what he just did, or maybe if you don't, if you're taking up the experiment, if it actually works for you. Leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and please hit the subscribe button. Alright, don't make me tell you twice. So peace, love. See you in the next one.